2024 was about AI-driven innovations, real-time data streaming, predictive maintenance, and 12% customer growth for Axiros. Our program increment meeting in Austria laid the groundwork for product development across our Wi-Fi optimization, DHCP, and DOCSIS solutions. We hosted the Axiros in-house event, featuring over 15 industry sessions from leading companies such as AVM, Vodafone, OneWeb, Deutsche Telekom, United Group, and many more. At the Customer First Summit 2024, Axiros employees came together to refine strategies and set ambitious goals focused on customer success. From leveraging AI-powered analytics and real-time insights to enabling predictive maintenance, we addressed critical challenges to unlock new opportunities. In more than 20 global technology events, we showcased our leadership in device management solutions. Also, delegation trip to Egypt with Bain International brought new opportunities in the MENA region. In addition, we earned the ISO certification twice for product development, project delivery, customer support, and hosted services at our Munich HQ, and for managed services solutions at our Croatia office. Our commitment to education remains steadfast as we sponsored and awarded the best student in the Network Science Masters program at the University of Zagreb, delivered hands-on training to customers, and launched the Axiros Academy. We also continued to actively support the industry with our membership in associations such as Broadband Forum, FDTH Council Europe, Bracco, and Buglas. Healthy work environment is important at Axiros, so we participated in sports events like the Tegency Run and various yoga sessions. As we look ahead to the future, 2024 was just the beginning. With Gunter Klessinger, the founder of Axiros, now taking on the CTO role, we are entering an exciting era of innovations. Stay tuned and see you in 2025.